My child, not every door opens the day you knock. Some blessings need time to grow roots before they bear fruit. Do not marry a beautiful face alone. Marry a beautiful character. Because beauty fades, but character follows you home every day.
How to create viral talking AI videos all for free. You don't need any paid subscription to do this, and you don't need to show your face, neither do you need any camera setup. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to free AI tools that you can use to generate this kind of videos, and you don't have to show your face as well. All right, so without wasting much time, let me show you how to do this.
So the first thing you need to do is to generate your prompt. So here is the prompt ChatGPT gave me. Okay, so here is the prompt. I wanted an African woman to do the podcast section, and ChatGPT gave me the style and what she's going to wear. Okay, and the studio setting. Okay, then I went ahead and I told ChatGPT, I said, I want to be creating a podcast section called the Wisdom Series. Give ideas of wisdom topics I can use to create the podcast section. The podcast session is only the woman. She gives words of wisdom about life, marriage, home, children, ACT. Give me 10 wisdom quotes she should say. And here ChatGPT gave me all of that. You can see wisdom topics and quotes. Look at it. Patience in life, choosing a life partner, raising children, managing money, dealing with failure, building a peaceful home, choosing friends, the power of kindness, hard work and success, living a meaningful life. Okay, so here is it. And then the first thing we're going to do is to generate our image. So I went ahead to copy this prompt. I'm going to head over to Google Flow to generate my image and my video. So you head over to your browser and type Google Flow. You can see I already have it here on my search bar. You click on Google Flow. Now you're going to click this first one here. So the next thing, you're going to have to sign in an account. So when you sign in, so it will bring you here. So you can either tick, I'd like to receive marketing emails if you want to. I'd like to receive research invitations if you want to. You can tick, but if you don't want, you can skip that. Then you click next. Then you're going to scroll up until you see that this continue button is highlighted. Okay, then you click continue. Then you will gain access to the interface. So now that you gain access, you're going to come over here to access your credit. So you can see that Google Flow gives 50 credits daily. So if you exhaust your daily credits, next day you get new set of credits. So with this 50 credits, you'll be able to generate your images are free, but for videos, you will be charged 10 credits. If you come over to new project to start creating or generating your image, you click on get started. So you're going to come over here at the bottom. So here you're going to paste your prompt. You're going to click here for the setup. Okay. So we are generating the image first. Usually I always prefer to generate up to 4 images. They are 0 credits. You'll be charged 0 credits for your image generation, but for the video, you'll be charged for one video, you'll be charged 15 credits. That's for one video. For 10 seconds. If you are generating an 8-second video, you'll be charged 12 credits. 6 seconds video, you'll be charged 10 credits. And a 4-second video, you'll be charged 7 credits. So it depends on the duration you choose. All right. Okay, so I'm going with 10 credits. You see, it's 50, with 10 seconds, it's 15 credits. So you can actually choose which of the models you want to use to generate your video. You have the Omni Flash, View 3.1 Lite, View 3.1 Fast, View 3.1 Quality. So the model of the video you want to generate depends on the amount of credit you'll be spending. So click on this drop down arrow. You see Omni Flash. We have the Omni Flash. We have 3.1 Lite. We have the 3.1 Fast and the 3.1 Quality. So if the Omni Flash is charging 15 credits, the 3.1 Lite, you see, is charging 10 credits. The 3.1 Fast is also charging 20 credits. You can see. So the 3.1 Quality is charging 100 credits. So the best is for us to go to with Omni Flash, which is the model that consumes lesser credit, and you're still going to get the same quality of videos. All right. So that is all about the setup. Okay. So here on Flow, I already generated my image, and I'm going to show you how I generated my image. I came over to this box to paste my prompt, and then you're going to click here, and I chose image, 4 images, and nano banana 2. Okay, and then I went ahead to generate my image. I don't want to regenerate. Okay, and Google Flow gave me these 3 images. Now, this particular image was not the original image Google Flow gave me. Let me show you what I did. This was the original image that Google Flow gave me. This particular one right here was the original image. So I didn't like the image. I wanted the image to face the camera. And you can see there's a headphone, there's a glass on the table, which I also did not want. So I had to edit the image. So the first editing I did, I made sure that I told ChatGPT, I made sure I told Flow, I said, look at it right here. I said, remove the headphone from the table and make the camera angle to be in front of the woman. And yes, gave me this particular image right here. This was the image it gave me. So I also wanted this glass to go out. Then I came over here. I said, remove the glass cup and move the camera closer to her. All right, because from the first one, from this particular one, you can see that the camera is a bit far from her. So that was the reason why I had to edit that prompt and then give me this particular one. Okay, then there was something I wasn't comfortable with. You can see here, it says the wisdom stories, whereas it has always been the wisdom series. Look at it. So Google Flow changed it to wisdom stories. And then I went ahead to edit it again and said, change the word stories to series. And I was able to get what I want. So this is the perfect picture that I wanted. This right here was very okay by me. So the next thing is to generate my video. And then I'm going to head over to ChatGPT to copy my prompts. So I already copied my prompts from ChatGPT. And then I'm going to come over to this plus sign right here to upload my reference image. So this is the reference image, this very first one. And then, okay, I have it here. Then I'm going to paste my prompt. So here is my prompt. And then I'm going to come over to setup. We're going to click here, go to video. We already have it as ingredients to video, 9:16. We're going to generate one video at a time so that we'll be able to manage our credits. Come over here. I'm going to use, I've not tried OmniFlash before, so let's try it and see. I'm going to generate a 10 seconds video. So you can see that 12 seconds video will use 12 credits, but 10 seconds will use 15 credits. All right. So with that being done, I'm going to go ahead and generate. All right, so our video is ready. Let's check it out.
My child, not every door opens the day you knock. Some blessings need time to grow roots before they bear fruit.
Wow.
My child,
This is really beautiful, very beautiful. Okay. So you can see that this video had its own background sound. So just in case you don't want the background sound, you can as well input it in your prompt before generating that you don't want any background sound. So that by the time you are merging all your videos together, you can generate your own background sound and use for your video. All right. So I'm going to regenerate that and compare it with this again. Let me try that. Okay, so here I've already imputed my prompt again, and you can see that I included here on this last I said, do not include background sound, only use ambient sound. All right, and then I'm going to generate. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's check it out.
my child, not every door opens the day you knock. Some blessings need time to grow roots before they bear fruit.
Wow, this is nice. This is beautiful. I love this. You can see with this, you can be able to impute your own background sound and it will blend with all the videos that you are going to generate. Because if you generate the first one, it's going to have a different background sound from the second, from the third, from the fourth. Okay, so I want it to be in uniform. Okay, so you can see that we have our video ready. Now I want us to continue from this very scene. And this is what I'm going to do before I impute my next quote. I'm going to come over here, click on it. You see, it says uploading frame saved as image. Okay, you can see, let's view the image. This is our image. So by the time you are putting the next prompt for the next quote, it's going to continue. Okay, so I'm going to copy my next prompt. So here is the image that we saved just now. So I'm going to come over here. Then I'm going to impute my prompt. So I've imputed my prompt fully, and then I'll generate again.
Do not marry a beautiful face alone. Marry a beautiful character. Because beauty fades, but character follows you home every day. Do not.
Wow. I love this. I so much love this. So this is how you can go ahead to generate all the scenes of your podcast and then mesh them together using CapCut or InShot. So all my videos are ready. And then I'm going to go over to generate my background sound and merge all the videos together. So you're going to go over to Music Creator AI. You can see right here, Music Creator AI. You're going to sign up and then it will bring you to this interface. So if you are new to this website, you can go ahead and watch my previous video where I gave a detailed explanation on how to explore this website to generate your own music or your background sound. Okay, so now I want just instrumental only. So I'm going to click here, right here, because I just want a background sound. Now I'm going to describe the type of instrumental I want right here. So here is the prompt I used. I said a slow, calm, and soothing background sound for relaxation. All right, that's all. And then I'm going to come over here to generate. And our background sound is generating. So guys, at this point, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. If you know that you are getting value from this channel, if you know that you are always learning one or two things from this channel, the least you could do is just to support me with your like, with your follow, and your notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. Okay, so our sound is still generating. Okay, so let me play it for you to hear. So you can go ahead and just download whichever one you want. Okay, MP3 audio. I'm going to go with the first one. All right, so we have our sound ready. And then we're going to head on to CapCut. So here I've uploaded all the videos. And then the next thing, you're going to come over here to upload your sound. Okay, when that is done, you're going to go ahead to also add your captions. And then you're ready. Your video will be totally ready. Let's take a look at the full video.
My child, not every door opens the day you knock. Some blessings need time to grow roots before they bear fruit. Do not marry a beautiful face alone. Marry a beautiful character. Because beauty fades, but character follows you home every day. Children listen with their eyes more than their ears. Be the example you want them to become. A house becomes a home when respect lives there. Love may build the walls, but respect keeps the roof standing. Walk with people who push you forward, not those who celebrate your downfall. Dreams are beautiful, but dreams without effort are like seeds left on a shelf. They never grow.
So I hope you found value for this tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. Don't forget to also join our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group where you can meet with other creators, ask questions, and share ideas together. And until I see you again in my next video. Bye.